Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Rama. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well. And so I am back with another video. And this is not a vlog because during this pandemic situation, we all know how the condition is becoming critical. So seeing all this, I am here just to share some information with all of you. I want to tell you that how you guys can be fit and fine in this pandemic situation. So I just want to tell you that I want to share some of my experience. My family members, family relatives, all are being suffering from this COVID situation. Some are not with us anymore and some are still with us. Okay, so I just want to tell you that the people are still walking with us. They are healthy. I just want to tell you that how they recovered well. Okay, so guys, I want to also share that my very close friend was also suffering from this COVID. They just had a good schedule, good routine of their health, and they just got well. Okay, so I just want to tell you that we all know that day by day that COVID is increasing. So guys, we all know that the first strain was so rapidly it was spreading, but still compared to this strain that was very less amount. Okay, so just guys, I want to tell you that we all know the situation is getting so poor and poor day by day. I want to just share you some of this information that guys, we all know the symptoms of the previous COVID strain. That the first thing we were suffering was symptoms were fever, dry cough, sore throat, pain in muscles, and then we were having that loss of smell and taste. Okay, but this strain is we are getting some different symptoms, like we're having rashes, then discolorations of fingers and toes, and then we're having rashes as I said you, then all conjunctivities, then diarrhea, upset of stomach, headache. Okay, these are some of the symptoms we are facing in this strain. So guys, I just want to tell you, be aware of all of these symptoms. If you guys are having any one symptoms, also go and get a COVID test. And the first thing you have to do is just wear your mask, keep distance from your family members, stay away from them always. The 24 hours you have to keep this, that you are wearing your mask and you separate from your family members. Make them in a room, keep them in a room, and you be in a room. Okay, you alone. Okay, so and the thing is, whatever meal you gonna have every day, that is you should have 2 eggs at least. I know many cannot afford, but still guys, try to have at least 1 egg in a day, and try to have nutritious food. Like you must have proteins food like chicken, fish, meat, every necessary thing that makes you keep your healthy. Just go through with the foods. Okay, I just want to share you this because I want you all to be safe at home. And to all the men and women, please do not go out during this pandemic situation. Don't find an excuse to go out. You must be at home. Stay home, stay safe, keep your family members safe, keep others safe. Please, it's a huge request, except doctors, because doctors had to go out. That is, they are doing for all of us. They are fighting for all of us, and we are just making the situation critical by going out. So please guys, it's a huge request, do not go out. Don't go and just, you are thinking that nothing will happen with you, but no, that's not the thing. Things are happening with everybody. COVID is happening with everybody. So I would just tell you that please stay safe at home. Do not go out. If you are having any symptoms, go through with a test. Sometimes the test might come negative or positive. We all don't know. Suppose you are suffering from fever and the report is showing something else, it's showing negative. So you have to understand the report is wrong, totally wrong. But still, if you think that you are suffering with fever, then please, you take care of your family and of yours. Wear masks, do not go out, and keep distance with them. If the report is negative, still you must take care of your family. You cannot think that the report is negative, that means I am all right and I can talk with my family, I can sleep with them, I can just do whatever you like. No, nothing like that. Okay, so guys, if you are suffering with fever, any one kind of symptoms, if you're having headache regularly, if you're having rashes in your body, upset stomach, then conjunctivitis, anything, just please keep distance from your family. Just think that is the first step you are having. Please guys, it's not about it's all about yours, it's all about ours. We have to be serious about this situation. We can only help ourselves. We are just saying, please God save us. God will not just come directly to save us. We have to be a God of all of us. We can be together, we can save our lives. That's it. We can do everything. We are losing our special persons from our life. Someone is losing their father, someone losing their grandfather, grandmother, sister, own baby. Please do take vaccination on time. People are just spreading rumors that vaccine is very hurtful, that is killing people, that is making people more infected. No, that is wrong. People, please grow up. That is not infecting. The first vaccination, as per I heard, that was creating some problem, but now it's not. My mother have taken the both doses of this vaccination, COVID vaccination. Even my grandfather, who is 70 up, he is also been vaccinated and he's all right at home. So please do not create any chaos rumors. Please guys, be aware, take vaccination, stay at home, keep yourself safe and others too. And guys, I want to tell you that the things is, when you are suffering from fever, or you might not suffer from fever, I just want to tell you that I'll just suggest you a kara that my family, my friends, everybody took. Even my family members who suffered from COVID and who are been recovered, they also took this kara and they're all right. So guys, today I want to share this kara with all of you. Okay, so the kara contains all kind of masalas. Okay, so the first thing is clove. Clove means lobongo, we all know. Then bay leaf means tejpata. Cardamom, that is elaichi. Cinnamon means darchini. Peppercorn, that means golmurije guro, I think, or gota golmurij, yeah. And tulsi is must, necessary, and neem, that is too necessary, because it's a kara. We know kara contains neem, herbal things, and this is what we have to keep it. Neem, at least every person should have one neem leaf in that kara. If you are a member of 4 people, then keep 4 neem leaf in your kara. Okay, so add 4 neem leaf in your kara, and that is necessary, must, compulsory. You have to do that. Without neem, the kara is incomplete. Okay, so and then ginger, always. We all know ginger help us. It boosts our immune system. We all know that. And then use a pinch of turmeric. That is very necessary. And yeah, guys, try to have lemon. Okay, when you can have orange, and vitamin C tablet, vitamin E tablet, these are all necessary, must have it. Please, it's a huge request. People are suffering, people are not suffering, doesn't matter. People must take this. We take this regularly. This is very healthy. Doesn't matter. If I say that I am not suffering from COVID, I'm all right, but that doesn't mean that I won't take this karas and all. You have to take it. This will increase your immune system. You'll be fine. Exactly. Please guys, do take this karas at home. I would just tell you that this is very helpful, very helpful. My friend is already recovered. Okay, so he was also taking all these remedies at home, and he is all right with his family. His father was having sugar, cholesterol, and still yet he is all right. He's all right. So guys, please have this kara, have nutritious food at home. If you are getting any kind of symptoms, then do have a test. And then the most important thing is about doctor. I want to tell you that please guys, visit a family doctor. that is the most important thing of today, is you have to visit a family doctor who knows you well. Do not go to an unknown doctor and tell them about your story. No, they don't know you well. योर फैमिली डॉक्टर हूँ जिसके पास आप लोग बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छे से जाते हो, वो आप लोग अच्छे से जानते हो, आप उनके पास जाओ ना, वो आपको अच्छे से जानते हैं दैट व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर फेसिंग. एंड अननोन डॉक्टर डजंट नो यू दैट वेल, isn't it? So go and visit a family doctor who knows you very well and can suggest you what is good for you. Do contact if there is any emergency situations you are suffering through. It's a huge request, guys. Please take care of yourself, take your medicines, have nutritious food. And the thing is, during this COVID period, do not panic, just keep faith, be strong, support your family members if they are suffering from COVID. You can live, you can survive. Go with the remedies that you are getting nowadays. Go with the instruction the doctor is suggesting. Go with the medicines. Take it time to time. Have nutritious food. And the most important thing is do exercise every day. The lungs exercise, especially the lungs exercise. We know the disease is spreading all over us. So please go through the exercises. That's a huge request. And okay guys, so do gargle at home every day 4 times in a day. And the main thing is have warm water every day 4 times in a day. And then take vapor, as I said you. And do not panic and do not break down mentally. Okay, keep trust, as I said you will be all right. And follow the schedule as I have shared with you all. Hope this information helps you all. Be safe and be healthy. Okay, that's all I expect from all of you, that be at home and wear your mask, keep your family members safe. Okay, and so today till this much. So guys, if you need any kind of help from me, if you want any information, then do ping me up on my Instagram or can ping me up on my Facebook account, because I will be always be available for all of you to help you out. If I am having the informations about your questions, what you are saying or what you are asking, if I have the information about it, I will definitely share with you all without any hesitation. You guys can ask me. Okay, so that's all for today. This was the information I was willing to share with you all. Please guys, keep your faith. I will repeatedly tell you, do not break down mentally or physically. Keep strengthening you, be strong. You have to believe in you that you are the strongest person to face all of the situation if you are facing from COVID. Okay guys, so hope you all are fine. Stay healthy, stay safe. Do not go out of your house. If you are going out, then make sure it's something very important. For that you are going out, and do wear your mask. Keep sanitizing your house, keep sanitizing your hand. Whenever you are going out, take your sanitizer bottle with you. If needed, then wear the surgical masks. That is very good. Though wearing this fancy masks are not going to work, because surgical mask is the mask that would really work on. Okay, so that's why doctor always suggests you to wear a surgical mask rather than wearing this fashionable masks. This won't work, guys. Hope for the best, and let's just keep ourselves safe. Then only we'll be able to make others safe. Do not go out unless it's a very critical situation of going out. Do not go out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be connected with my channel. See, so guys, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and let a comment down and tell me that was this video helpful for you or not. If it was helpful, and if you need more information related to any kind of disease or any kind of virus, fungus, then can ping me up. I will definitely share with you all. And wait for my new video. Something new is coming. Bye bye. See you soon on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. See you. Tata.